Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today I have this little project that I did and I wanted to share with you. These notebooks came in a set. They are from the brand of Martha Stewart and I thought they were super adorable. This is number 1, which is a bunny. This is number 2, a little squirrel, and then number 3, a little bird. And as you guys can see, the colors, this size is actually a little bit bigger than a passport size. This is one of the inserts for my small little planner or traveler's notebook, and you guys can see the difference. So this is a little bit bigger. Now I've already created the layouts. I went ahead and did that on my own time because I just wanted to kind of do something without the pressure of filming it. And I just sat here, took my time, decorated. These two are not done yet. And I actually damaged this one. I don't know if you can see the scratch down there. So I'll have to figure out how to fix that. But this is the one that I wanted to share with you guys. Now, this is an idea for like if you do Bible journaling or you do like art notebooks or just something that you could use. And to be honest, my intent is to write like poems that I like or big quotes or anything inspirational. So that is what I am going to be using this little notebook for. And what else did I want to tell you guys? Okay, I need all the help I could get when it comes to writing or journaling straight. So this is why I decided to use a notebook that actually had the lines, a line notebook basically. So I'm gonna do a quick flip through of all the layouts that I created, and this is hopefully a short video if I don't start blabbing too much. But once again, my idea is to record maybe inspirational quotes, maybe inspirational lyrics of songs, you know, so you could use it for like spiritual writing or, you know, like I said, I know there's people that do like Bible journaling and verses from the Bible and things like that. So I wanted to give you an option and share this because if you struggle, guys, I sometimes like I really struggle to write straight on regular journaling. And I need all the help I could get. So I decided to decorate this little notebook to do exactly that. So like I've said, I created the layouts off camera and I just wanted to do the quick flip through for you guys. So plenty of writing space, as you can see. Now normally when I do layouts like this, I try my hardest not to make it bulky. And for example, if this is like a writing page, then I try to make this not, how do I explain it? Like if I'm going to be writing on this page, then this page needs to be as clear as possible so that I have something, a flat surface when I'm writing. Does that make sense? But I also have the pencil board. I don't know if that's what this is. I know some people use a pencil board. I have this little mat here that I got from Amazon and I could use that as well, but just to keep it a little bit, you know, flatter. So on this one I actually put these flowers, so I'll have to figure something out to work around that, but I still have plenty of space right here, you know, to journal. And then I have, this is the second layout, and look, see what I mean? Like I'll be writing mostly in here, and then the back is like the same. I don't know if that makes any sense. All of this is done with my ephemera, you guys. I didn't purchase anything new. Some of this is scraps. Yeah, and just made little clusters, as many as I could. This is a Bloom with Grace, and just added a little bit. I did not add as much enamel dots as I wanted. I actually only think I did it in 2 layouts, because again, I want to keep it as flat as possible so that I'm able to write on a more flatter surface. Here's this one. I think this one's the one that's the most empty layout. In this one, I wanted this pretty paper to speak for itself. That's why it's left alone, basically. I took my corner chopper and made this one straight, but I rounded the top ones just so that it matches the notebook. And then just added a sticker, make room for your own voice, or for your voice. And then just fussy cut a little birdie out of the same paper and put him down there. And created this one. This is a journaling card. You guys can see. Find what makes you happy. You guys know I love butterflies. Leave a little sparkle wherever you go. This one's kind of empty as well. And then here's another sample of more pretty paper. This one is actually both of them are 12 by 12 paper pages. But this one I fussy cut the gold foil. Is it gold? No, it's like a rose gold foil flowers. This is, both of them are from Prima and they are scraps. So as you guys can see this layout, I want the paper to speak for itself. So there are a few layouts that I believe the paper is just so pretty that I wanted to leave it alone. And this is one of them. Here, this is washi tape from the Ton. I don't know. Yes, from the Ton Stamp Company, and I bought the washi tape. Just added a little note card, and then I glued some washi tape into a plain white cardstock, and then fussy cut these leaves out. I should have put one in here, a fussy cut one in there. That's something I may do later on. Just a little set of butterflies. This one says, start doing things you love, and then this one says, do everything with love and you will be blessed. So very inspirational, like I said. Very, I don't know, I want something positive, or maybe I could just even journal, do like a little quick diary or something. It's just so pretty. This is just like a little flower inspired by floral, basically. And it says, hold on to your dreams down here, and then on top it says, a dream is a wish your heart makes. So that's the layout there. This is another little simple layout with a note card and then just some flowers. And then this one, gorgeous. This one's leaves. I kind of went for pinky and florals, I feel like. A lot of flowers. Here's another one that I left the pretty paper by itself and then just added. I wanted the heart to be significant and stand out. That's why I chose a red one, but I think I'm actually going to change it for a pink one, because I was kind of flipping through the notebook on my own, and I was like, I am still not 100% sold on that red heart. So if I could just find it. There. So I think that I'm going to replace it with the pink one, just so that it goes a little bit better. There. I think the pink will just do more of its job. So there. And then we'll put that one back. I got these at Target for like $1. It was I think for the Valentine's Day collection that they had. So yeah, I think that pink one is gonna do the job. And then the final one, or the final page, is this one right here. And like I said, that's gonna be the little journal that I thought would be great, because guys, again, I know I just repeated myself like 10 times, but I'd like to have lines, only because there's days where if I don't focus really well, I struggle to writing evenly. So just wanted to show you how I decorated this little quick notebook, and I'll probably honestly do the same with these. I just need to make a determination of what I wanted, because this could be like a little journal, a little inspirational quote, my thoughts, record my thoughts. And like I said, you have 3 little notebooks, and look, it's not as, I mean, it's bulky, right, compared to these, but not to how my typical notebooks are. You know, my notebooks tend to be like, whoa, like that, but this one's not that bulky. I actually love the way it turned out. So anyways, I just wanted to share this video with you. Thought that maybe you guys will enjoy it, doing little things like this. I certainly do. I like everything stationary, so that's why you see me playing with a ton of stuff. I'm not just cards, I'm not just scrapbook pages. I'm like in love with everything. But anyways, that's it for today, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and we will see you next time. Have a good one. Bye.